Hey there, Eli here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an outdoor projection using a NexiGo projector. We all know that you can use projectors for movie nights at home or presentations in the office, but now that it's summer, it's the perfect weather for outdoor movie nights too. Choosing the right projector is one of the most important things you can do to keep your night running smoothly. That's why I want to start by discussing some options that are designed for outdoor movies in mind. Starting off, we have the TriVision Ultra. It has 2600 lumens and HDR10+, which means that you will get a bright and vibrant picture even when watching in the daylight. This is so helpful for those of us who get really late sunsets in the summer. With a bright projector like this one, you won't have to wait until dark to start watching. Another great feature of this projector is its handle on top. The whole thing only weighs about 11.5 pounds, making it easy to carry outside. But do keep in mind this projector may be too big to hike with for long periods of time. The TriVision Ultra also comes with a hidden storage compartment for your Fire TV stick for unlimited movies and TV shows as long as you have Wi-Fi access. The Fire Stick is powered directly by the projector, so once it's in there, you won't have any wires poking out. But one of the most exciting, outdoor-friendly features of the TriVision Ultra is its intelligent auto setup sensor. It supports automatic keystone correction, automatic focus, and automatic obstacle avoidance. These features are extremely useful when you're setting up in new places that may have uneven ground. Small but mighty, at a weight of only 3 pounds and roughly the size of a book, the Nova Mini is our most portable projector. You can fit it in a bag and take it basically anywhere, like on a hike to your camping spot. Like the TriVision Ultra, the Nova Mini features intelligent auto setup, and with its built-in kickstand, you can easily raise the projection to the perfect height. This projector features 1200 lumens and HDR10+, making it another great choice for outdoor viewing before it's completely dark. The Nova Mini is also our easiest projector to power if you don't have access to an outlet. The USB-C power port makes it simple to power with any power bank or battery. It also features Google TV interface with built-in apps so you can stream your favorite shows and movies directly from the projector with no additional devices. Next up is the PJ40 Ultra. With its sleek design and compact size, the PJ40 Ultra is another great choice for your outdoor setup. It can fit into a regular sized backpack and only weighs about 5 pounds, making it another great choice to take on a hike. The PJ40 Ultra has 800 lumens, which is perfect for nighttime movie watching. Although, for this one I do recommend waiting until the sun is fully down for the best visuals. Featuring wireless screen mirroring from your phone and officially licensed apps such as Netflix and Amazon Prime, the PJ40 Ultra makes it easy to stream your favorite content. Once you have your projector picked out, there are a few other things you will need to get started. First, you will need a power bank or a battery to power your projector. Each projector requires a certain wattage, so it's important to choose a battery that outputs enough power. For the TriVision Ultra, you will need at least 300 watts of power. For the PJ40 Ultra, you will need at least 160 watts of power. For the Nova Mini, you will need at least 100 watts of power. You may damage your projector if you power it with the wrong wattage, so please take care while choosing your power source and make sure to use the original power cord that came with your projector. I recommend finding a battery that puts out at least 300 watts of power. Or for the Nova Mini, a power bank that outputs at least 100 watts. Next on the list of outdoor movie night equipment is a projector screen made for outdoor use. A classic choice would be a white tension tab screen, since these are very easy to put up and fold away. To avoid ripples and wrinkles, I recommend finding one that comes with a stand. A cheaper DIY option is to use a plain white bedsheet or a shower curtain. You can hang it on your fence, between 2 trees, on the side of your house, or on other exterior walls. Try to pull it taut so that there are no ripples or creases. Whichever screen you choose, make sure it's big enough for your setup. Outdoor projections usually range from 80 to 100 inches if you want truly larger-than-life visuals. If it gets windy where you are watching, make sure to bring sandbags or stakes to hold down your screen. Another thing you will need is a projector stand or a table for your projector to rest on. I suggest using an adjustable tripod stand or a standard camera tripod for the most flexibility. For more immersive sound, I also recommend bringing a Bluetooth speaker to connect to your projector. Next, find a foolproof way to get the movie you want to watch onto your projector. For a seamless movie night without Wi-Fi access, make sure to bring a DVD player or to preload the movie onto a USB drive or a laptop. If you plan to stream a movie online, make sure you have Wi-Fi access. This may require you to be close to home, be in public space with network access, or use a hotspot. If you want to set up your projector for outdoor gaming, make sure to bring your gaming console, power cord, HDMI cord, and don't forget those controllers. I recommend setting up your projector screen first. Find the right location and stretch your screen onto your stand, trees, or walls, however you have decided to set it up. If you are using a screen with a stand, make sure to weigh down the legs of your screen so it does not fall down or blow away as you are setting up. Next, set up your projector stand. Place your projector on it, turn on your power source, and plug in your projector. Once you turn it on, go ahead and set up the keystone and focus. If you are using the TriVision Ultra or Nova Mini, the projector will do this automatically. But if you are using the PJ40 Ultra, use the wheel here to adjust the focus and then go into the settings and navigate to Picture, Keystone to fix any distortion. If necessary, go ahead and plug in your DVD player, gaming console, or streaming device, plugging them in as needed. Finally, connect your projector to your hotspot or Wi-Fi. Once the projector is fitted to the screen to your liking, go ahead and turn off the projector and power source to save battery. Next, lay out your blanket, pillows, chairs, and whatever else you have to make your setup cozy. Once you are ready, turn your projector back on and start watching. Well, that is all you need to create your magical outdoor projector setup. Make sure to check out all the features on the TriVision Ultra, the Nova Mini, and the PJ40 Ultra to see which projector is right for you. You can scroll down all the way to the bottom on each product listing to find all the specs. Before I go, one word of warning. Please do not use these projectors outside if there is rain, snow, or other harsh weather. That will damage the projectors as these are not waterproof. As always, feel free to email us at cs@nexigo.com, leave a comment below, or send us a DM at Let's NexiGo on all social media platforms. Well, that's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.